Everyone, I would like to explain on how you can separate immiscible liquids using a dropper. With me, I have a mixture of water and paraffin. These are two examples of immiscible liquids, which means they do not mix at all. As you can see on my mixture, the top layer is paraffin because paraffin floats on water, and the bottom layer is water. I've added ink so as to make the two layers distinct so that you can be able to differentiate the two. So how do you do it? You allow the mixture to stand for some time. This will allow the two mixtures to separate so that you can be able to see the two layers distinctively. Then what do we do next? We suck the top layer and transfer into another beaker. Suck it and transfer into another beaker. Do this repeatedly until you suck all the top layer, which is paraffin. As you can see, I'm continuing to suck the top layer, which is paraffin. And you have to be very careful while doing this so that you don't tap the interface. Remember, the interface is where the two liquids are meeting. As you can see, the method is tedious and therefore it takes also a lot of time because you have to be careful and do it severally so that you can be able to achieve good results. So I'm sucking the top layer and transferring into another beaker. Do this until you suck all the top layer. There you have it. I've sucked the top layer, which was paraffin, and I've been able to separate it. Thank you.